picture. There's a little thunder shower down by Pearland, and it's kind of moved up into the U of H area. Seems to be fizzling.
Oh! Bail in, and the plan is in place. What's a bail in? Oh, I can explain it in one word.
Stupid.
Too far, in my opinion. I'll explain that and let you hear that coming up at 7:17. An 8-year-old with cancer cleans up trash.
Oh, shit! Idiot!
They say the dog, they'll take us now. They say the dog, everywhere we go, it's top dog, it's top dog. Everything you hear, it's top dog, it's top dog.
As flights in and out of Brussels are canceled and security is being stepped up around Europe.
You got your own f***ing lane.
Survey is Gary Moore, who is the associate pastor with Second Baptist Church. Gary, welcome to News Radio 740 KTRH.
Good morning.
Come on!
Are you surprised by the findings in this survey?
Well, yes and no. I had a pastor one time who said that our lives are sort of like...
Okay, Garmin, save video.
They had not declared an emergency, at least on that audio, and they were not calling themselves an emergency at that point. The IFE was...
Look at this one. Oh!
In the absence of dental information,
probably
Jen knew that any shoulders could prove helpful, since she could match the numbers to hospital records.
BFY 54 Victor.
Who's Victor?
West Point Lincoln has new 2016 Lincoln Navigators available with 0% interest for 60 months. With approved credit, not all applicants. Conference March 31st, 2016. West Point Lincoln on the
No way.
or online at westpointlincoln.com.
Don't miss the incredible offer from Richard's Total Backyard Solutions, Houston's exclusive hot spring spa dealer and custom pool builder. We are the outdoor living specialists. Now for a limited time, 0% financing for 36 months on select hot spring spas now through April 11th. Purchase a pool.
Mary 26 WEM. She did not even use her side mirror. Almost sideswiped.
He vowed that he would never stand in such a place again. But it was not easy to extricate himself from this world. A week later, he stood beside Henley when he was convicted of assault in city court, given 30 days in jail that he never served, and a $100 fine. Riding again. Robert Shelton wore...
Just turned off Chenal Parkway, hit and run, red Dodge 4x4, Bravo Echo Whiskey, 16 Papa. We're on Little Rock streets, ma'am.
Yeah. motorists back out on the road.
No, you're supposed to pull out and nose first.
Both of them were idiots.
Yeah.
The guy didn't have to go around the car. He could have stopped.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, what date do you say that? Is that like date 3? By the way, I had hantavirus a year ago. It's still in my system.
But if it can be
wrong with
contained by
people?
condoms, I mean, we're supposed to be wearing condoms anyway.
Sorry.
It's okay. I mean, we're not dead, so that's the important part.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
She hit you?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let me call 911 then.
Yeah.
Okay, you might have to.
I got her license plate, I'm sure.
Okay. You want to call the non-emergency line then?